Okay guys, andito po ako ngayon sa Villaflor, Orqueta City para i-vlog ko yung bahay na may bakod na hugis barko. Okay, eto na po tayo. Let's go. So guys, ito na po yung bahay na hugis barko yung bakod or yung mismong bahay na mismo hugis barko. Kayo na po ang bahalang mag-judge kung ano yung tingin nyo. Pa-letter Y kasi yung daan at nasa gitna siya ng daan. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.